In this video, I'm going to teach you how to transfer money from your 99 account to your bank account. It's a very simple process, so follow along. First, to make the transfer, you need to move the money from your balance, the one inside the 99 app, into your 99 account. Only then can you transfer the money to your bank. I'll start by showing how to move the balance into the 99 account. If you already have the money in the 99 account, you can skip ahead in the video to the part where I explain how to transfer it to your bank. If your money is still in your balance, tap the balance amount on the home screen of the 99 Drivers app or the regular 99 app, then tap the More option. In the panel, after selecting your balance, you'll see both your balance and your 99 account. You must transfer the balance to the 99 account, select Balance. If the money is already in the 99 account, skip to the next part. After selecting the balance, use the Withdraw Transfer option. This lets you move the money to the 99 account. The process may take a few hours or up to a day, so wait. The funds will be available by the date shown in the app. Once everything is completed, go back to your earnings or panel. The balance will have been transferred to your 99 account. With the money now available, tap your 99 account. If you've never used this panel before, you must verify your identity. Use your driver's license or ID and complete the 3 verification steps. I won't show the full process here. You'll need to upload your documents calmly. After verification, you will gain access to the 99 account panel. There, you will finally see the PIX transfer option. Tap it and enter your name, CPF, bank account number, branch number, banking institution, and account type. Once all details are filled in, the transfer will be made according to the amount you choose. You can make an instant, scheduled, or even recurring transfer.